Hello, my name is Chloe from the Clearfield Area School District, and we went to Lezer Truss Systems in Curwensville, Pennsylvania to learn what's so cool about manufacturing.
I'm Casey Lezer. I'm Vice President of Lezer Lumber Company here in Curwensville, PA. My grandfather and his cousins started a business back here in Curwensville in 1927. Since 1927, we grew into the 41st largest building material dealer in the United States. We have 12 locations throughout Pennsylvania. And in about 1999, we opened the truss plant here in Curwensville. We manufacture roof trusses and plated floors. We also do commercial door shops. We have hollow metal doors and frames that you would see like your schools, hospitals.
This is the lumber yard, which is where the lumber for the trusses is stored.
I am a truss designer. I design floor and roof trusses for houses, commercial buildings, hotels.
The process begins when they design the trusses in their CAD program. They use high-tech saws like this to cut the wood used for the trusses.
This is where they assemble the trusses using the laser guidelines. Then they go through and nail the nail plates into the truss. They run this machine over the trusses to make sure the nail plates are flat and in place. They move the trusses outside by using a system of rollers.
Stacker. It'll pick that truss up and it'll stack it on top of this one.
Finally, the trusses are loaded onto the truck and shipped away. We even had a friendly competition to assemble a truss.
2 years ago, we did Ben Roethlisberger's house in Pittsburgh. That house is 22,000 square feet of a house, and it was really neat. What I find cool about manufacturing is how they take a raw product here that's really neat, especially roof trusses here, that we're able to produce take a couple pieces of wood together and make a roof system out of it.
Hello again. We hope you enjoyed our video.